All right, so using the Ultimate Mobile View, it can't be any easier. All right, so all that we need to do is once we've installed the Ultimate Mobile View, and you can see we have this installed, we're going to go over to Pages and we're going to click on Add New Page. All right, and what we're going to do is I'm going to just call this Mobile Test. Okay, so that I know what page it is. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create this mobile optimized squeeze page. And what you want to do under template, make sure that you select mobile. Okay. Okay. And then this is where the magic happens. You can see right here, you see that black looking email? Okay, and you can see it's called Ultimate Mobile View Email. What I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and click on that. Okay, and the first thing that you're going to need is you're going to need an image, a sign up link. And I already have uploaded one. So I'm going to just copy that URL location, type that right in there. And then what you want to do is whatever your list name is at Aweber, you're going to type in your list name. Okay, and then at Aweber button. So if your list name was Bob's List, okay, you'd write Bob's List at aweber.com. Or if you had a list at GetResponse, it'd be the same thing. It would be your list name at GetResponse, okay? And then in the body, I'll type in sign up. And then in just a second, I'm going to show you what's so cool, how this works and why it's so powerful. So once we've got that, we're going to go ahead and click on Insert. Okay, and you can see that it's put in this information here. We can go ahead, click on Publish. Okay, so you can see it's inserted this. It's put the short code in there for this little button. So then what we need to do is we're going to go over to Settings. Okay, and we're going to go to Ultimate Mobile View. Okay, and from here we can choose to enable it or disable it. Obviously we want it enabled, so we're going to leave that checked. Then we're going to go to Mobile View, okay, and then Add New Mobile View. And basically what we're going to do is we want so that when people visit our website on a mobile device, to our squeeze page especially, that they're going to get this special squeeze page. So I'm going to have, when someone visits my regular landing page, I'm going to have the mobile view pop up this page instead, okay? So this is my regular landing page, all right? And then when someone visits that page on a mobile device, we want them to see this mobile landing page. So we'll go ahead and click on Add Mobile View, all right? And then it's very important, just make sure that you click on Save to save your work, okay? So then when we go ahead and visit that address, our regular landing page on a mobile device, they're going to go ahead and they're going to get something like this. You can see this is kind of like showing what a mobile device would look like. But what's really cool is instead of having a regular opt-in form, what happens is they click on your link here and boom, which is so cool. Their email will pop up. It's going to be sent to your Aweber list or your GetResponse list, and they're going to be added to your list instantly. And it's really, really cool. All right. And it's just super easy to use the plugin, really simple, and you're going to get a lot of mobile signups when you use this plugin.